constituency voters to vote for BJP Janasena candidate Honorable Ratna Prabhakar, to press button on EVM in front of Kamalam Tamara, that is lotus. Since last 1.5 years, more than 1.5 years in this state, Rowdy Raj is going on. Uncontrolled mafia Raj is here in Andhra Pradesh. State-sponsored rowdyism is going on, which is being observed by all people of Andhra Pradesh during Panchayat elections. It was seen. Municipal council and municipal corporation elections, it was seen. BJP Janasena candidates were not allowed to file their nominations. Their nomination papers were snatched and given. People were targeted, they were beaten. The state government is functioning like YSRCP party cadre, which is highly objectionable. And that is why through this press conference, I want to make alert the central observer who has come for these elections and Central Election Commission, that Central Election Commission should take care, categorically see that free and fair elections, impartial elections will be conducted in Tirupati. Who will fight with this Rowdy Raj in this state? There is an opposition party, I can say there was an opposition party named TDP. It doesn't have guts to fight with this Rowdy Raj of YC. They are all frightened, they are all afraid, they are all threatened, they are sitting in their houses, not coming out of their houses to fight with these rowdies. There is a saying in English, he came, he saw and he won. But what happened about Chandrababu Naidu? When he came to Tirupati, he was not allowed to come. He came, he saw and he went back. No protest from TDP. Even his cadre could not protest for his being not allowed to enter. So this is a gone party, this is irrelevant party, and it is absolutely uncalled for to vote for TDP because it is a hopeless party now. Only BJP Janasena alliance can fight with these rowdy mafias, land mafias, sand mafias, liquor mafias, sandalwood mafias of Sheshachalam, conversion mafias from Kapil Tirtham to Ram Tirtham, attacks on Hindu temples. No culprit has been arrested till date. And this conversion mafia, state-sponsored conversion, who is going to fight with all this? TDP doesn't have guts. Only Bharatiya Janata Party and Janasena alliance. Tejasvi leader like Pawan Kalyan Garu, the most prominent leader of Andhra Pradesh, Bharatiya Janata Party State President Somuvir Raju Garu, who is going to complete the dreams of Narendra Modi ji to make this state Bangar Andhra Rashtra, Golden Andhra Pradesh. BJP Janasena alliance can do. We have done this. We have fought with Mulayam Singh Yadav and Mayawati in Uttar Pradesh. We have proved that we can finish Gunda Raj. In past in Bihar, we have finished Gunda Raj of Lalu Prasad Yadav along with local great leader Nitish Kumar ji. We have finished this CPIM Gunda Raj in Tripura. 25 years Gunda Raj, 1,000 political murders in Tripura. 25 years Gunda Raj. Who finished that Gunda Raj? Only Bharatiya Janata Party has finished that Gunda Raj. And that is why in Andhra Pradesh, who can fight with this Gunda Raj? And yes, definitely, on 2nd of May you can see the Gunda Raj, Mafia Raj of Mamata Banerjee will be over in West Bengal. BJP is going to finish mafiaism from West Bengal. And that is why only Bharatiya Janata Party and Jana Sena together can fight with evil. And that is why I appeal all voters to vote for this. Let us give one chance to Bharatiya Janata Party, Jana Sena. You tried Congress number of times. YCP is nothing other than Congress. It is different form of Congress. You have tried number of times TDP. And these both parties are family enterprise parties. Both parties are Kutumbam parties. Both parties are indulged in heavy corruption. And that is why my appeal to Andhra Pradesh people again and again. You can see last few days TDP is only attacking Bharatiya Janata Party. YCP is only attacking Bharatiya Janata Party, Jana Sena. Why they are not attacking each other? Why they are not speaking against each other? Only because of both these Dongalu parties are scared about BJP Jana Sena alliance coming to power. Tirupati elections will be only the trailer. We will show what Bharatiya Janata Party Jana Sena can do. I have got many messages that they are going to put 25 crores in every assembly. They are going to distribute money. Liquor mafias are going to distribute money, liquor. They are going to put our Karyakartas into jail. Number of things are coming. Even some police officers are threatening Tirupati, Tirumala, Devasthanam, Vyaparis and business community there. That you compulsory should vote to YSRCP, join YSRCP, otherwise we will not allow you to function over there. At least Devasthanam should be spared. There should be no politics, there should be no corruption. Yesterday we saw one news that the people, the devotees offer their hair to Venkateshwara Swami. In Mizoram the hair were caught. There was a debate on some TV channels I saw. TTD must answer with clean sheet. They should come out, white paper. What is happening there? And what about the MLA and Deputy Chief Minister from this area, Narayan Swami Garu? Still he has not apologized for saying Merry Christmas Shubhakanshulu from the premises of Venkateshwara Swami's Balaji Mandir in Tirumala Devasthanam. Andhra Pradesh people are not going to tolerate all these things. They will give befitting reply. They will support Bharatiya Janata Party. YCP is targeting only BJP Jana Sena because they are scared. They want to retain their first position. TDP is fighting election to retain their second position. And BJP Jana Sena is fighting for first position. And my last comment, voting for TDP is best of vote. Voting for YCP is voting for a member of parliament. Who is that person? Mr. Gurumurthy ji, he is a physiotherapist. It is very good. Being a physiotherapist is a noble profession to serve the society. But a personal physiotherapist who gave his treatment to Honorable Chief Minister, it's good thing, he should be rewarded, that I can understand. But a personal physiotherapist can be given ticket as member of parliament. After becoming member of parliament, what he is going to do? He is only going to serve one family. But we have given ticket to Ratna Prabha Garu. She is born in Andhra Pradesh. She is a scheduled caste lady of Andhra Pradesh. She is a Hindu scheduled caste lady of Andhra Pradesh. She has served entire life to Andhra Pradesh and other states as an IAS officer. After getting retired, she again served through Bharatiya Janata Party. So in YCP, ticket giving criteria is Jagana Seva, and in BJP Jana Sena ticket giving criteria is Janama Seva. So we Tirupati people should find out who is correct, Jagana Sevak or Janama Sevak. Jagana Sevak is Gurumurthy Garu, Janama Sevak is Ratna Prabha Garu. And finally, Voting YCP is voting one member of parliament who is going and sit in opposition. Opposition. He will only do halla gulla like Vijay Sai Reddy Garu is doing every now and then. Every time he remembers Tirupati, when Tirupati election has come. Before that, 1.5 years there was no raising questions about Tirupati, Tirumala and other things. These are opportunists, and that is why voting for YCP is voting for opposition, and voting for BJP Jana Sena is voting for position, ruling party. Voting for BJP Jana Sena is strengthening hands of Narendra Modi ji, and that is why people of Andhra Pradesh, they love Narendra Modi ji like anything. We are traveling villages and we are understanding the pulses of people. The pulse of people is they want that Narendra Modi ji's person should be elected from this area, and that is why again my appeal to all voters to vote for Bharatiya Janata Party Jana Sena candidate Ratna Prabha Garu. Dhanyavadam. One point which Honorable Somuvir Raju Garu is going to tell now. Of course, we all are in support of the point which is being raised by Somuvir Raju Garu. Thank you very much.